Hi, right. I'm here again with another creation from Microsoft Excel. This is part of my journey in Excel development, and this time I created a data entry form, specifically an overtime request form, which can be used by corporate to request for overtime or maybe to submit the overtime that they already did maybe in the past. Right. So here we have the form itself, which carries information about the employee, their name, email, and the rest. And one thing you should note about this form is that first, there are certain sections which has been uh, modeled through data validation. For example, we have the gender section where we have a drop-down arrow where you can select, as well as say the department. We have various departments for you to select, and the position where you can also select your position. And then you see the regular working hours, which we know is 40, and then the actual hours you worked for that week, you put it there. And once you put that there, your overtime hours will appear here. That has been already automated. Then there is a submit button, which when you fill everything and click submit, everything comes to another sheet which I call database. Right. So this database there carries every information about your request. And for testers, I had to test the form with this first information. So the purpose of the video is for you to see how I'm going to use two other information or maybe more to show you how it works on Excel. So let's go. So let's say uh, John Wick wants to apply for overtime. Yeah, John Wick. So we'll give him an email address. We'll call him jwick@gmail.com. I will give him a number as a phone number and his gender. Mhm. Then the department, that should be operations. It's John Wick, of course. And position, let's just call him customer support. Here, he supports. So the regular working hours is 40. Guess what? John Wick worked about 78 hours. So he has 38 overtime. And when we click submit, everything disappears. And let's check on database. There we have John Wick. Let's try for Sam Altman. Sam Altman, that AI guy. Mhm. Let's give him an email like saltman at not like saltman gmail.com. Let's give him a random phone number. Give him a gender. His department should be IT. He's an IT guy. Position, maybe developer. 40. He's a big man, so he works just extra 2 hours. I have to automate that again. Right. I will click submit, check on database, and that's it there. So that is how the data entry form works. It just collects everything. And right here, you can then decide to filter the information to select maybe for a specific department or maybe for specific positions, maybe for uh, you can just filter the sheet to get whatever kind of information you need based on the overtime request. So that's the thing I did for today. Thank you for watching.